So what you can also do is, let's say for example, to let your remote users know who you are, you can go ahead and change your identity settings. So to do that, you can click on the hamburger icon and then go to settings right here. So over here, if you were to go to my account, you will be able to see the account that you have used to sign in. So over here on the bottom of it, you can see identity. And right now you can see that the desk preview that the other user actually get is a screenshot of your computer. But if you want to go ahead and let them see your desktop wallpaper, your account wallpaper that is, then you can go ahead and select out this. Or if you don't want them to see anything for privacy reasons, then you can simply go ahead and hide. But whenever you're accessing their computer, it's a good idea to give a screenshot or account desktop wallpaper so that they trust you. And this is simply how you can go ahead and change the identity settings as you need in AnyDesk. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.